Wick.
The guys that came up with the idea of having a battery analyzer, that the way it powers is off the battery you're analyzing, which is dead. Why are you analyzing it if it's not dead?
Yeah, when it's
That's a good
running
idea.
perfectly,
Would you love to have been in that boardroom? Yeah, we got this. Let's not put a battery in it. Because we're testing a battery, so there's a battery already there. We just use that battery, even though it's fucking dead.
Even though we're checking to see if it's any good.
Foxwell.
Shenzhen. That says it all.
Oh, well.
There it is. And don't forget that there is a space for batteries in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the best
Oh,
part.
yeah. You got to show and tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're making a new product reviews with Wick. I haven't done one of these in like 2 years.
So this seems like
Where you
where
had a
I'd
battery.
assume the battery was just disconnected.
Look, it has 6 to 30 volt input. Mm-hmm. Maybe you'd have 6 volts of double A's in the motherfucker to work.
Or if the battery you're testing is 5.8 volts, kind of like this one.
Oh, look.
See,
That's supposed to have a 9 volt.
it looks like it would, and the wires would come like through there maybe.
Perhaps.
What the fuck?
I think this is just a secret drug stash.
I mean, now that you mention it,
That's where you smuggle the fentanyl.
Yeah.
They all had fentanyl in them. They take it out to DC and then they sell it.
Did I just drop it?
Oh, Jesus. Dropping
There's
screws.
another good design. No sense putting a little capture thing on there, so.
yeah,
So-
why would that?
Foxwell.
God.
Oh, Jesus.
See,
Where's that lawn chair?
it's just time to start drinking.
Yes,
This
it
day is just done.
It is.
Yeah, we're fucked.
We've been playing with small nuts and bolts all
This
day.
is a
It's
very
like-
big piece of hardware to compare to what we've been monkeying with today.
Yeah.
So this is, yeah. But hey, Foxwell, because I'm not going to call you Foxwell. Foxwell, your BT705 is a piece of BT dog shit.
Yeah, that's just dumb as fuck.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah,
That's a new special kind
in
of
theory,
stupid.
if you're testing a very good battery, then
Yeah.
why would you be testing a good battery?
Exactly.
I'm not here to test a battery. I'm here to test a dead battery. What are you going to do? Test that shit on the shelf at the parts store and grab the best one?
It did come with this really nice case, though.
Ooh.
That-
You know what they could have? You know what they could have put in there?
A battery.
Fucking battery.
That'd have been really nice, huh?
Oh yeah. Son of a bitch.
I guess the two batteries that I've tested with this thing both had some juice to them.
Oh yeah. We've used that before.
Range Rover. And that,
Oh god.
That other, what was that other battery, shitty battery I got for the Galaxy, I guess.
Oh, the expensive one that looks like a stock original one?
Yeah, so it
that
looked
was
like a Ford battery. Which
that
it
was
did look
shit
very
out of
much
the
like a
box.
Ford battery, but like
It
you
operated.
Put it in the car and it's like.
It operated like a Ford battery. It didn't
Yeah.
work.
This was
Tesla
done.
is like 5 or 6 volts. Like,
Yeah, like,
God.
that's fucking cute. It was a nice looking battery too.
So,
It
and
worked
of course,
as good as an original battery then.
the warranty from the guy, well, you gotta ship it back to us.
Oh, good.
And fuck you.
Like, this thing weighs fucking 80 pounds.
Right. That'll be cheap.
Yeah,
Nice
so
and easy.
I think we just threw it away because I was like, the battery was like $300 and it's gonna cost me 150 to send it back to get 150. That they'll probably take a restocking fee or something out of it. I
Yeah,
was like,
so
never
at this
mind.
point, just fuck it.
Yeah, cut our losses.
Over it.
All
Over
right,
it.
that's plugged in. This is red light on.
What a shitty situation. Oh, that's not a toilet. That's a fucking bidet. Whatever, same thing.
Yeah.
Nice and
Yeah.
sparkling
So it's
clean.
trying to do its thing.
You do know the theory is if there's a drain in the floor, you can pee there,
True.
right?
Any fucking drink.
And if there's a drain in the floor, you can technically poop there, but you have to waffle stomp.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on
You'd
that.
have to have a pretty good shot for that to work.
Yeah, that can get messy quickly.
Yeah.
You have to be really, really drunk and in the shower to do that.
I don't think I've ever
Wouldn't
been
be in
that
my
drunk.
shower. Yeah.
No,
I've never been that drunk to try.
It'd have to be somebody else's shower.
hotel shower, it's okay.
That thing over there, maybe. Oh, here comes Kurt.
Oh, we're fucking done.
Yeah. Say goodbye to the rest. And then I'm going to be back in a couple hours. So,
Awesome.
I mean,
And then you got to go to Reba.
then we're going to Reba.
I think
So,
it's,
yeah, I
it's
mean,
time to
this
start.
day is kind of over.
Time
Yeah,
to start
I think we're
drinking
done.
And bring the lawn chair out.
It's perfect weather for lawn chairing.